I'm begging you. I'm begging you.
Where is that car? Get up and carry it. They're going to the farm. So that by sunset you're done. So rest tomorrow for the planting. Are you still there? No, are you still there?
Sorry.
But stay now. Stay. What are you doing?
Sorry.
What are you doing?
Listen. Sorry.
Do they want to go to the farm? Take the cutlass, go ahead by the farm. Take it and go fast. Look at her.
What she feel like in this house? By this time she's still sleeping. She has to stressing it to go in there and wake her up from sleep.
No, she's asleep. What?
Why are you treating Ifunanya like she's not part of this family? Hadako, why are you treating her? It's not fair. Why are you treating her like that?
You dare talk to me as if I'm your mate? Do I look like your mate? And your sister, is she your mate?
Is she part of this family?
Don't worry.
She's part of this family.
And we know, it's alright. We don't need to quarrel about it. Asa! Ne? Come, let me adjust your hair. You know, this hair needs to look more beautiful. Come.
Did you not hear me? She said you should come, let her adjust your hair.
So that your everything about you will be correct. You know, your reasoning something now is not working well. Because you're thinking from the other side of your life.
Asa, come, let him adjust your hair. Come. Come, let him adjust your hair.
Idiot! Come on, open that your smelly mouth to talk to me. Adaramgi! The slave of the house is who I should be giving reverence. Don't like it? No. You know she can dry it like that. But she knows she'll not eat it. She'll dry it. See the kind of plantain she roasted. Can't even cut it. What is it?
Here is baby.
What is it? What is it?
Hey! See who is coming.
Who? What is it? See what you roasted. See what you roasted. See. See what you gave us as food. See. All my kids, they want to pull off because of this wickedness you perpetrated here. Have you seen it? And no fear.
I'm sorry, Ne.
Sorry for yourself.
Ne, please. There is something I want to ask you.
Ask what you want to ask and get out. Don't stress me. Do this.
I don't think what the other she has better today. Pretense. People see you now, they say, oh, she's genuinely repented. She's not doing evil. Say nonsense and get away from my presence.
Ne, please. I want to beg you. I don't know what I've done to you. Adako. Please, Ne. Please. Ne, please, I'm begging you.
One more word from you. And I'll break your face in pieces.
Just imagine. Do you know there's no water in this house for me to beat?
Instead of you, as you came back from the farm, you quickly go and fetch water for my children to take their bath. You are pretentiously kneeling down here so that people will take pity on you. Who takes pity on the wicked? Who takes pity on the heartless?
I fetched water this morning before I washed all the clothes. And you asked me to go to the farm.
So as you went to the farm, we're not supposed to use water. This one inside there is not water. So I'm not supposed to drink water. You're still judging case. Eh? No matter you judge. You're still judging case. Will you get up from there and go and fetch water?
It's like this girl is challenging you.
No.
This girl is challenging you.
That is true.
What's happened to her leg?
It's broke.
Broken. Hey, this person is too strong. Ha!
She roasted it now. But she the person that did it.
Will not kill somebody.
Everything she does the wrong way.
This one. Greetings.
Greetings, beautiful one. How may I be of help?
I actually wanted to ask you that because you look stranded.
Stranded? I am not stranded. I am actually here waiting for my friend. He went to get some herbs.
You do not look familiar. Are you from this village?
No. But my friend is from here.
Who is your friend?
His name is Amanze.
Oh. I think I know him. Amanze the wrestler?
Oh, yes. Yes. You know him?
Yes.
What is your name?
Adako.
Adako. Good to see you. Okay. I must say you're a beautiful princess.
I'm delighted. He's not coming out soon.
He'll be here soon, very soon. Oh, here he comes.
Oh, I'm glad I kept you.
Thank you very much. Oh, where's the herbs? There's no herbs.
Ne, you are a very wicked woman. A very wicked one as that. Worst one I've ever known.
And you're in my heart. I agree with everything you said. It's correct. Leave my heart. Leave my heart and I use this to pierce your stomach. Are you mad? Am I your mate?
Yay! No, what is this fool doing here?
I don't know.
What are you doing here, you fool?
Adako, so I'm a fool after paying your bride price, doing so many good things for your ungrateful mother.
What did you do? What did you do that any other serious intentional man does not do for a woman that he loves and wants to marry? What? Look at this drunk.
Called me ungrateful.
Ha! You asked me what did I do? Were you not supposed to be in my house? After paying your bride price.
Whose house? The dog house? You're very stupid. My daughter will be in your house. May the gods of our land strike your mouth for vomiting that rubbish.
He say, all he does is get drunk. And he spits me, Adako, to settle for a low life.
How did you end up with this? Look at his feet. Look at how fat and useless. Look at how shriveled they are. Push him out of her heart.
Get out!
You see, you fat fool.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine? How can I stoop so low for this low life?
I don't know what you said you were looking where you followed me. You're this thing that brought him home and say he wants to be your husband.
Ne, please, that is in the past. We have eaten his money, so let him get out. Ne, you cannot imagine.
What is it?
Jose, I was going to ask you,
What is it?
About the maiden who approached me earlier. How well do you know her?
Wait. She approached you?
Yes, while I was waiting for you.
That means she likes you.
How do you mean?
Her mother is very strict. And her mother handles her like a small goddess. So men hardly go around her.
For fear of her mother?
Yes. Plus, she's very beautiful, you know.
Yes. You can say that again. She is indeed beautiful. And I think I like her.
My friend, if you know you're not serious about this, don't go close. Because her mother is one of the most feared women in this village. So you better not joke with her precious daughter.
Is she her only daughter?
No. She has another daughter. And a stepdaughter also. And the stepdaughter is one of the most beautiful maiden in this village. And she's very humble.
I see.
Her name is Ifunanya.
Ifunanya.
Yes.
Also bad though. God.
My friend.
Not yet, not ever.
Mecca. Nne.
Where is that stupid girl?
Nne, remember you told her not to come back until she finishes the big portion you assigned her? Nne, remember you told her not to return until she finishes the work?
Will you shut up? Why have you become as stupid as she is? Eh? Was that what I asked you?
Nne, I was just explaining why she's not yet
And
back.
who needs your stupid explanation? Keep it to yourself. I don't need it. What is wrong with you? You behave as if you're not part of my family.
Come back.
Greetings, Nne.
Keep it to yourself. Where have you been?
Nne, I've been at the farm.
Hey! Where have you been?
Liar! Hey! Nne.
Hey!
This girl is a liar. So if I had not come, you would have lied. As usual. No, let me tell you. This girl went to the farm and she was not working. She abandoned her farm work and started chasing after me.
Hey!
Started chasing after men!
You did what?
Hey!
You did what?
Hey!
Is that true?
Kill her!
Is that true?
Hey!
Is that true? Is that true? Is that true?
Hey, what is your own? What is your own?
Not true, Ada. Why you...
Shut up! Shut up! You were chasing after me.
Just go back from home. Just allow her rest, please.
I don't understand. Oh, I don't understand.
That one close.
Are you
Bring that man
You
close.
don't do anything.
Bring that man close.
You don't
Bring her to me.
I see.
Bring her to me. Bring her. Bring
Ada,
her.
why are you lying? Why are you lying, Ada? Why are you lying?
Why are you crying? Stop crying, please. I don't know why Ine and Adako has been treating you so badly. What did you ever do to them?
I don't know. The only crime I ever committed was not having my own mother. Namu, my father. The only person that is supposed to be protecting me is no more. I really want you to fight for me.
I'm sorry. Stop crying. It's okay. It's okay. Please stop crying. Please. Stop crying. Stop crying, please. I brought you food.
I'm not hungry. Thank you.
You are hungry. You left this house at sunrise and you haven't had anything throughout the day. Surely after such breathtaking work at the farm, anyone will be hungry. So please. Stop crying. Please, because should I feed you? Please, stop crying. Should I feed you?
No, I'm okay.
So please eat now.
Hey, what is going on here? You stole Nne's food to give to this fool. Huh? You are dead. I will go tell her.
Adako, what is wrong with you? What has come over you? Why do you hate Ifunanya so much? What does it pay to hate people?
Are you talking?
Are you mad?
So you now want to fight me because of her?
Because of this fool? Because of who? What's wrong with you?
Sorry. Are dead.
Sorry.
You are dead.
Get out of my way!
Sorry, because
Please don't mind it. Just sit and eat your food.
I don't want to.
Please stop crying, please. I'm begging you.
I don't want to put you in trouble, please.
No, you're not putting me in any trouble. I promise.
Neka, ọnọdụ ugo adịrị egbe mma. Biko hapụ maka leave me alone.
No, I'm not going in. I'm not leaving you.
Alili ligbola no wenwene na nao. So safufu wakamnata. Onyega boji yakam. Onyega balu magebe.
Why would you go to the stream at this time of the day? Do you not know it is dangerous to fetch from that river at noon?
There is no water at home, so I needed to fetch some.
Okay,
Thank you.
she has such a calm spirit.
I will never let you go. If I can massimo and then a bedalo. At a look on Gemon and then a bedalo. It's a love a someone more and then a bedalo.
Nigga, what are you doing here?
I came to help you with work.
Help me. Mbanunu. I do not want you to enter any trouble with mother. Please, you have to go home.
I'll be fine. I just came to help you so that we can go home early.
Why is it that you can't listen to me? I do not want to enter trouble with Nne. Please, I'm begging you, just go home. I can do all these things alone.
Sister, I'm sorry, but I'm not going. If anything happens later, we'll share in the consequences. I just want to help you.
Have you thought about it? What if Mother or Adako sees you here?
What will happen? I'll be fine. Let's walk.
Hey.
Are you sure you can do this thing?
I can do it. Let's walk.
Greetings, Amanze.
Greetings to you, beautiful Adako. What brings you?
I came with a surprise meal for you and your friend, and I did not find anyone in the house, so I had to drop it up front, and I saw you here.
That is thoughtful of you.
You're welcome. So where is your friend, Obiora?
I'm sorry, he's not here.
Where did he go to?
He's on his way back to his village.
Did he tell you when he's coming back?
No, he did not.
It is okay. You can eat the food alone.
Thank you so much, Adako.
I think I know where he is.
You do? Okay. Let us go.
Greetings, Ada. Your food is ready. Just as Nne instructed, I serve you.
You brought what?
Your food.
You witch. I do not care what May asked you to do, or what she would do to you. But I want to tell you one thing. If I see you anywhere close to her again, I'll kill you. This is what I got.
Uronye kuru koga horo, uronye kuru koga horo. The things you sow you reap. Whatever you do to your fellow, yakege jikwu gwo. Uronye kuru koga horo, uronye kuru koga horo. The things you sow you reap. Whatever you do to your fellow, yakege jikwu gwo. If you do good, you see good. If you do bad, you see bad. Iyobuni mere madi begio, yakege jikwu gwo. Omembu wongwenye, akashi abala yono. Wepake wenofeo, ijiji ntike nesokozu ano. Buronye kuru koga horo, buronye kuru koga horo. The things you sow you reap.
I was told you refused to eat the food I asked Nanya to cook for you. Why?
Nay, we need to act fast.
Act fast about what?
I fear the same thing might happen again. Remember how all the men that came for me ended up wanting to marry Ifunanya instead.
Not God forbid. I will kill Ifunanya. I will personally strangle her to death.
Nay, this is not a small thing. It is big. Think about it. Think, Nay. I know she's just jealous of me.
I know. Always.
Greetings.
Oh, greetings, my son. How are you? You are the son of Sunday.
Yes,
I can see the semblance.
yes.
How is your father?
Thank the gods. I came to your hut the other day to see you, but I was told you went to Amaze.
Yes, I went to see my sister. What exactly did you come to my house to see me for?
I came to see you regarding to your daughter.
Oh, that's wonderful. I have 2 beautiful daughters. Who exactly did you come for? Are you mad? Are you mad? So you came all the way with your 2 useless legs to my hut to ask me about the slave? You're a fool. You're even a bigger fool to have stopped me on the way when I'm having a beautiful time with my daughter to talk about this idiot. Let's go. Let's go. Let me not wait for you. Let me not wait for you. I wait for you.
The things you sow, you reap. Whatever you do to your fellow. Yakege jikugugo. Uronye kurukoga horo. Uronye kurukoga horo. The things you sow, you reap. Whatever you do to your fellow. Yakege jikugugo. If you do good, you see good. If you do bad, you see bad. Iyobuni mere madi bigio. Yakege jikugugo. Omembu wongoye nakashi aba.
What do you think you're doing? Greetings, Nne. Keep it to yourself. I don't need it. What do you think you're doing? I'm eating, Nne. See how... Stand up from there. Idiot. Whose plantain are you eating? Where did you get this oil from? And the pepper inside? In whose kitchen? In the kitchen. Kneel down.
Nne. I was so hungry. Very, very hungry. I had to roast it so I can eat. It's Botago Nagum.
Why didn't you die?
Eh?
Why didn't you die?
No. Hey.
See, there will be no food for you in this hut. Hold it. Hold it. Then that's that nonsense that's coming from your mouth. None of it. Give me that!
It's very hot.
Give me the oil. See that nonsense coming from your mouth. Let's not drop into my food.
Sorry.
I'm going to kill you.
Sorry. I'm moving to death.
There's no food for you again in this hut. You will not eat nor drink. Since you have decided to use your witchcraft to take all the men, they should have found Adak, my daughter, attractive. You're using your crooked life. Take them away. You will not eat. You will not drink. If you like, put on Sunny Rugi. I will eat this food.
Yeah, please, this thing is very hot.
I want you to burn off the hand so that nobody they will see you as leprous. That's the idea.
Because they're not begging you.
Sorry. Let me eat in peace. Like I said, my son, I had expected more from you. You should have been more and properly informed.
Nne, I don't understand. Did I do something wrong?
Yes!
You did a whole lot wrong. Indicating interest to marry Ifunanya was the worst decision you ever took in your life. If not for the respect I have for your father, and for the fact your late mother was my best friend, I would have allowed you to walk into your doom with your two left legs.
I still do not understand. You could explain more. Ifunanya
is a witch. She was the one that killed her mother and my husband, her late father.
What? No! No! This can't be true. Ifunanya is too innocent and harmless to a fault.
Really? Have you seen a guilty looking witch before? If they look pretty, they walk about, they do their things. But in the night, they move with their head down and their legs up. Anyways, if you doubt what I'm telling you, you can ask my daughter. She has a clear record of what I'm saying. She will tell you exactly when it happened, where it happened, and how it happened. Yes, it's not doing that thing to be a witch. So they're not beautiful witches again.
Everything my mother told you is true. Not many people in this village know about it.
But why? To conceal evil is bad. It is.
My mother is a virtuous woman. She wouldn't want to send her stepdaughter out for her to become a laughingstock in the village. I even hear she might be stoned to death.
What?
Ikemba, you're a good man and you deserve the best.
Adako, thank you. I have to be on my way.
Oh, yes.
Thank you.
From the first day I set my eyes on you.
Ikemba.
What is it?
What is it? Ikemba, are you running away from me?
How do you mean? What are you talking about?
Ikemba, I haven't seen you in a long while. And here you are trying to run away from me. Eh?
If I have to tell you something. Yes.
What is it? Please, did I do anything wrong?
Ifunanya, everything is not fine. Ifunanya, I don't want to do anything with you again.
Ikemba, what are you saying? Eh? What are you saying? Please, don't do this to me. If I wronged you in any way, or I did something, just tell me.
Ifunanya, everything is not all about what you did wrong. Ifunanya, I don't want this again. I do not want to see you again. I don't want you.
You don't want me?
Yes.
How? How? Ikemba, what are you saying? Ikemba! Chino, what did I just hear? Ikemba!
Naya is crying at the backyard.
Really? Why is she crying? So which is also crying?
Ikemba told her that he does not want to have anything to do with her again.
Oh, that? Which same person will want to do anything with a witch? Maybe he saw the risk inheriting the marriage and he ran away for his dear life.
Good for him, Nne. I thank the gods for opening his eyes to the truth.
You're right, my child. This one isn't my fault.
No. Nne, let me go and laugh at her. You know that is what I am.
Possible, slap her. Hey! Cry well. At least when your mother died, you did not cry well. Use this one to send her to the inner grave.
The things you sow, you reap. Whatever you do to your fellow.
That was so sweet.
Of course, you should know I am a sweet woman. So, when did you say you were coming to see my mother again?
For
What do you mean? My hand in marriage. When did you say you were coming?
that wasn't the intention.
I do not understand. So what is your intention towards me?
Nothing.
Wait. Ikemba, so you have no intentions of marrying me? Yet you never told me.
Adaku, we all know you threw yourself at me. Adaku, mata piwe. Adaku, you know, Adaku, you threw yourself at me. We enjoyed it.
I threw myself at you. You did not tell me anything, yet you waited. You waited till we got intimate and you had my sacredness. Is that what you're telling me? Ikemba, may the God strike you with blindness. How can you tell me something like that?
Adaku, why are you like this? You put the one working him mata. You're not complaining. We enjoyed ourselves and you Ada
the things you sow you reap. Whatever you do.
I've been meaning to ask you this. Why hasn't he come back around like you said he was going to come? Why?
Nay, leave that fool.
What did he do?
Can you imagine, Kimba? He said that he's going to sleep with me before he thinks of marrying me.
What? Does he know whose daughter you are? I hope you didn't stoop low to his stupidity.
Me? Nay. You should know your daughter. I cannot stoop that low. Someone as cheap and smelling as Ikemba. I am not that cheap.
If he thinks you're Ifunanya, come to your mother. Come to your mother. Trust you, my child. I trust you, my jewel. Shouldn't stoop low to his level. Because that one doesn't have level.
Greetings, Ifuna.
Greetings. Greetings, Uche.
Yeah, I am looking for Adaku.
Oh, okay, let me go in and fetch her.
Yeah.
Uche,
Yes.
since you came here, you've been staring at Ifunanya.
Of course not. I wasn't looking at her. I came here to see you.
But I saw you. You have been looking at her. You have been staring at her.
Who is she?
My stepsister.
Oh, but she's beautiful.
And I am not? She is beautiful and I am not?
I didn't say so.
Uche, are you being serious?
I didn't say that you're not beautiful. Like, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't say that she's not beautiful. Adaku! Greetings, Ifunanya.
Greetings.
Ifunanya.
Greetings, Uche. Please, it's forbidden to see us talking together.
But why? Huh?
You will soon be married to my half-sister. We shouldn't be seen talking to each other because
Please, it does not matter. Eh? It doesn't matter now.
It matters. It matters. Eh? I'm begging you, please. Do not accost me again. I'm begging you, please.
Ifunanya.
Don't stop me.
I see. So this is it. Greetings, Boy. Come here. What did you do?
Eh?
What did you do? What did you do?
I did not.
What did you do?
I did not do anything.
Why must you talk to him? Must you talk to him? Must you talk to him? Must you talk to him?
Do I blame you? Because I still accommodate you in this house. Nonsense. Die! Die! People like you should not live. Die! Why are you calling me? Why are you calling me? Do I look like your miserable mother? Why? I want to die. Die! So that you leave my children and I alone. Die!
Mother.
Yes?
There is something I want to tell you.
Mm-hmm.
I really do like Adaku.
No, and you should. Because my daughter Adaku is the most beautiful maiden in this kingdom and beyond.
Yes, Mother, she is. She's a nice person and a woman that every man would want to be with.
That men are going to fight over her to be with her.
I see the same thing happening now that she's of age.
Yes. Of course, it's happening all the time. You should count yourself lucky that she agreed to marry you. Many have come and gone, but she turned them all down.
Really?
Yes, really.
But why?
If she had married any of them, would she have been single now and waiting?
Of course not, Mother. I feel extremely honored and privileged. Yes.
Well, probably she was waiting for the right person, and that right person is you.
Thank you very much.
Just marry her because you deserve her.
Mother, there is something I want to tell you.
Go ahead.
Like I said earlier, Adaku is a nice person, but I don't think I would want to have her as a wife. I don't think I can stay with her.
What? So what are you talking about?
Mother, I want to marry Ifunanya instead.
Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you mad? Carry your dead body and leave my house. Get out! Get out! Look at what is looking like a stick. Has mouth to tell me I want to marry Ifunanya instead. Ifunanya should die instead and take you along with her to the land of the dead.
We really need to act fast. I fear the same thing will happen.
It will happen over her dead body. Like I told you earlier, I will personally strangle Ifunanya to death. My pride, my precious jewel, and priceless ornament. Leave everything to me. You have nothing to worry about. I'm still your mother.
What do we do?
I'll handle that.
May I insist? I need to know. What are we going to do about this?
I wasn't expecting you so soon. What happened?
I cannot concentrate because of that maiden.
I understand. Adako is a beautiful maiden.
I'm not talking about Adako. I am talking about the other one.
You mean her stepsister?
Ifunanya.
So what happens to Adako?
Nze, you have always had your eyes on Adako. I think you should go for her.
I'm not interested. And I'm not ready to marry now. But why would you do this? Adako loves you. She comes here every day to know when you're coming back. Why are you doing this to her? Why do you want to break her heart?
It is Ifunanya that I like, and I am going to marry her.
I've told you my own. Adako's mother don't like people toying with her daughters. I've told you.
I am a man. I am old enough to make my own choice. No one should force me to marry who I do not want.
I understand. But this will not be easy for you. It will not be easy for you. See, I know what I'm telling you.
You have still not done anything concerning Ifunanya.
But I told you not to worry. I have everything under control.
You have everything under control? I do not think so, because I think it's Ifunanya that has everything under control.
What are you talking about?
Obiora came back. And instead of him to come see me, he went to see Ifunanya first.
Where did you see her?
I don't know! All I want is for you to do something. Do something. I don't have much time. I want you to do something.
told you to not worry, I will fix it.
Mother! Mother! You failed me. Why? Why did you fail me?
Relax, my child. That wasn't the last straw.
The poison. It did not kill her. It was fake!
No. My child, it wasn't. I am sure of that. Maybe it's as a result of the way I applied it.
You did not do it well.
I did not apply enough quantity. Now I know to be able to kill her, I have to apply a larger quantity.
No, whatever you are doing, you have to do it fast. There is no time. I cannot take chances anymore. She has to die.
You have to stop being agitated. I have everything under control. Alright? You're winning already. Everything will work out to your good.
She has to die. Nee. That girl has to die. She has to die. She really has to die.
Ayabo.
That's just water. Next time it will be hot oil so that you will go blind forever.
Ada, what have I done wrong to you?
What have you not done? What?
Ada, please. I am begging you. Please. If I did anything wrong to you, please forgive me. I'm not feeling fine.
You can die for all I care. But before you die, take yourself to the stream and fetch me water to bath!
Water? At this hour? Hey, Ada. Ada, what are you saying? You know it's an abomination for me to go to the stream and fetch water. Please, let me do it tomorrow.
I can see you are mad. I can see you are out of your senses. Do you think I'm as dirty and smelling as you are? Go and fetch me water to have my bath!
Hey. Ada.
Do you not think I've forgotten? I overheard you gossiping with Nneka about me. She told you how Oprah rejected me. You were happy. Oprah rejected me! Sorry. You were happy! You love how Oprah rejected me!
No! I'm not happy. I'm not happy. Ada, please, I'm not happy. Please don't call me. I'm begging you, please. I'm not happy. Ada,
what is Ifunanya still doing in this house? I am sick and tired of her! She needs to leave!
I'm sorry.
Please chase her out.
I'm sorry. I will never laugh again. I will never. I take back all the laugh. I'm sorry.
Why did you do?
Sorry.
So why did you do?
A mistake.
What did she do?
I told her that Oprah rejected me. She was laughing. She was laughing at me. She was happy that Oprah rejected me. How?
You laughed.
Sorry. I did not hear anything. I did not hear anything. I'm sorry.
My camera.
Me? I forgot to tell you.
What did you forget to tell me?
It looks like that thing you put in Ifunanya's food is working.
Really? How do you mean?
She told me she's not feeling well.
I told you. The witch will soon die.
Yes.
But don't worry. By the time I apply the last portion, she'll be long dead.
I cannot wait, Nate.
You're very beautiful.
Please, stop.
I know. Let me cut here for you to eat.
Yes, I would love to.
Ifunanya! 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 How many times do I have to call you before you come out? Do I have to kneel for you to come out?
Apologies, Nne. I'm so sorry. I was very tired. All my body is paining me. I had to sleep.
You should have died in that your sleep. Hurry now. Go to Orimiri, Oji, near Amaze. Go and fetch me a pot full of water and bring it before sunset.
May the gods forbid, Nne. No one goes to the river at noon and come back alive.
Bring back the water before you die. And do not think I want to know whether you fish from the river or not. Oh, shut up and listen to me. There is a healing I must perform, and I must do it before sunset. Go and get the water. I will need it for the herbs. Now!
Nobody goes to that river at noon and come back alive.
Drink water before you die. The water must reach my hand before you die. So however way you want to do it, do it. Just get me the water. And do not think I will not know whether you fetch from that river or not. So start going.
Okay.
Go and carry your water pot and go.
Sorry. Maybe go jukwe ese
me. Sit down. Idiot.
No, but she might not come back alive.
Of course, that is the intention. She has to die there. But Obiora will be devastated. But he will find solace with you. And you two will come back together. Then all is done in your own good.
Nay! Yes!
What?
Are you sure it will work this time?
Of course it will. That is the plan. Or you don't want it to work?
Of course it has to work, Nay.
I'm doing everything for you.
Nay, it has to work this time. Promise me.
Of course, nobody goes to the river and come back alive. Once she sets her foot inside the water, off she goes to the land of the ancestors.
Yes.
She will join her useless mother. Both of them will become witches in the spirit world.
Please, do not harm me. I beg you, don't harm me. Please. I'm only but a child that is going to fetch water. I am begging you, please, do not harm me.
I cannot hurt you. I am the one that must protect you from the evil surrounding you.
Who are you?
I am your mother. And I want you to know I never left you. I will protect you from all evil. Son, all those who trouble you will be exposed.
Mother, why did you leave me? Why did you leave me in this wicked world? I am dying. Please take me with you. I am tired of living this life. Ika will go one day. My bones are weak. I am scared for what is next. I don't even know what to do. Nemo, you left me to die. Ne, I am tired. Ika Wubomo. My soul is weak. My body hurts. I am tired. I am scared. I am scared of what is ahead of me. Achomeo. Please take me with you, Yabadirondo. Yabadirondo, can't please take me. Don't leave me, mother, please.
I know your heart is troubled. I will fight for you. Soon, all your troubles will be over.
Ne! Order! Chimo! Ne! Don't do this to me! Please take me with you. Take me with you. I am tired. I am tired.
Whatever you do,
I am tired.
Whatever you do, Buronye kuruko gagoro, Buronye kuruko gagoro. The things you sow you reap. Whatever you do to your fellow, yakege jikuko. Buronye kuruko gagoro, Buronye kuruko gagoro. The things you sow you reap. Whatever you do to your fellow, yakege jikuko. If you do good, you see good. If you do bad, you see bad. Iyoponi mere madi bigio, yakege jikuko.
I am waiting for words that her body has been found.
Body?
Yes.
I thought the body is not supposed to be found until after 4 days.
But with Odimiroji, it is different. You know, the victims usually surface by sunrise and subsequently thrown into the evil forest.
Okay.
Yes, for somebody to go there is an abomination on its own. So are you sure she has not been thrown into the evil forest by now?
Yes, she has been thrown. The messenger is supposed to come now.
Of course, that's what I'm waiting for.
Okay. Is that no? Ne?
Huh?
Is that not Ifunaya's ghost?
No, that is her ghost.
It is her ghost?
Yes.
Why is her ghost here?
I don't know. Ifunanya, are you a ghost?
No, Ne. It's me, your child, Ifunanya. It's not my ghost. Ne, here is your water.
Are you sure? This is from Odimiroji.
Oh, yes. Yes, Ne.
If I check and find any falsehood from the words of your mouth concerning this water coming from Odimiroji, Ifunanya, I'm going to personally kill you and throw you into the evil forest myself.
Ne, like I said, this water is from Odimiroji. Very sure. I'm just very tired.
Buronye kuruko gagoro, Buronye kuruko gagoro. The things you sow you reap. Whatever you do to your fellow, yakege jikuko. The things you sow you reap. Whatever you do to your fellow, yakege jikuko. Buronye kuruko The things you sow, you reap. Whatever you do to your fellow.
Greetings, Obiora. Please. We are not meant to be seen together. Please leave, I'm begging you.
I cannot. I journeyed back to this kingdom because of you, so I can behold you as long as I want.
Mba, Obiora, please. I am begging you. I am begging you in the name of the gods. Please stay away from me. I do not want you to come between me and my stepsister. Please.
May the gods forbid that I come between you and the people you love, my love.
Don't call me that. Don't. Please leave me alone. Obiora, become my yogi. Leave me alone. I am only but an orphan. Leave me alone now.
Entreat me not to leave you, or to stop following after you. Wherever you go, I shall go. Your people shall be my people. Your God shall be my God. Wherever you make your abode, there I will lay. Wherever you die, there I must be buried. Please no.
Those words you speak melt my heart. I do not deserve such words. I am only but an orphan. Please leave me. I do not want trouble.
Listen to me. You deserve even the world. You deserve everything. Just give me the chance to be your shield. I want to protect you. I want to stand by you. I want to fight for you. I want my soul to yearn for you all the days of our lives. If lying, you deserve to be loved. Here I am, offering you nothing but love and care. Please. Come. This is where you belong. Stop.
Akwisa bugonumo enene beja atalugo mwanimo ifunanya mo. From the first day I set my eyes on you.
What are you doing?
Oh, Nze. Why did you wake me up? Do you know where I was and who I was with?
Are you having a nightmare in the day?
It is none of your business. What do you know? Just spoils my moment. I just need to continue this.
Greetings, Ifunanya.
Obiora. Obiora, what are you doing here? Please, you have to leave. Leave.
I cannot. I cannot even stop thinking about you. Listen, do not push me away. Please.
No, Obiora, please. You have to stop. Don't put me in trouble. I am begging you.
I am pleading too. Understand me.
Hey, Chilo. You got a laptop on Obiora. You got a laptop on... Hey.
Greetings, Obiora.
Greetings.
Sister, Nne wants you back home.
Hey. Are you the only person? You're the only person. Okay, let's go. Obiora, thank you. Call the
We sabugo numo, enene bejal. Atalugo wanimo, Ifunanya mo. From the first day I set my eyes on you.
I think Obiora loves you.
I will never.
I would rather not make room for his affections.
Why? He's not a bad person. And besides, he rejected the proud one. And finally, she has her feathers plucked.
Nneka, do not speak about your elder sister in that tone.
Why?
That is wrong. Very, very wrong.
Why? She hates you so much. And that's the reason I detest her too.
It doesn't matter. The truth is, Obiora and I can never be a team. We can never be together.
This is not about mother and Adako. It's about you and your future. And do not do what will haunt you forever.
I would rather not fight a lost battle.
Because you are afraid to fight.
I'm not afraid to fight. It's not the right time to fight.
There is no right time to fight a just cause. Fight for that which your heart desires.
I would rather not fight a cause that is destined to fail.
What are you talking about?
Please, let's go. Mother, I'm with us. Don't worry, I can carry it.
And don't forget to look sick. Because that was the last thing you told Mother before you left the house. And obviously you are looking very strong and well.
You want to carry everything? What will I not carry?
Carry this one, let's go. Carry the basket.
It's not heavy for me.
The dream did not happen.
And what do you mean by that?
If Naya would not give me a chance. You don't have any idea.
I don't know if I should feel pity for you or show you my concern.
I do not need your pity or concern. I will take my chances.
As much as I would love to do so. The devastation and despair in your tone makes me want to do the latter. I know we are going to lose, but we would fight this together. I promise you.
Ifunanya, I heard you threw away your food. Rather than eat the food I suffered to make for you, you threw it away. Kneel down.
I'm sorry, Maid. I did not throw any food away.
Save yourself the explanation. Here you can redeem yourself. I start eating. Eat. This is food.
Maid.
This is food. I don't want to hear any complaints again about you being hungry. I roasted this myself. I prepared it. So start eating.
Thank you, but I've lost my appetite. You know, Aradium, I'm not feeling too fine.
Liar! She's lying.
I know she's lying. I know her. I know her mother. They are both pretenders. Did you see the audacity? She looked me in the face and said, I'm not feeling well. Therefore, you not eat the food I personally prepared for you. You want me to start? It's better you eat this food and die than allow me to touch you. Because I'll practically kill you with my bare hands. Start eating!
Okay.
Princess of our kingdom.
Now I'm giving you princess treatment. You will not appreciate it.
Eat fast. You don't rush the food.
Want to die? It's better you die from eating this food than me killing you with my bare hands.
We have to dispose her body, and we'll do it by nightfall.
Yes, we'll have to do it by nightfall, when no mortal can say us no have a wind of it. We'll have to throw her body into the woods, where the early morning birds or the beast of the air will feast on her body.
That is right.
For now, it has to be between us. For I figure out what to tell the elders.
We can tell them that we were attacked by wild animals at the farm, or maybe something like that. What?
I can hear some movement.
That must be her ghost.
Calm down. Can you calm down?
Mother, what if she comes to want us?
Calm down first. Calm down. I don't want anybody to see us like this. Just stop!
Ada, greetings. Ada, greetings.
Ifra,
Ada.
Are you alright?
Yes, Ada. I am very, very alright. Ne, the meal you served me earlier, after eating it, I feel very well. Thank you so much. Chuku goziegi. Oh, what?
Hey, you mean you are well now?
Yes, I am well and strong. Kakaraka.
How can you be well and strong? Yes. You are well and strong all of a sudden. That means you're a witch. Go inside the hut and die.
Ne. Me, a witch.
You heard me. Go inside the hut and die now. Should I push you?
Sorry, Ne.
Mother! Can you come down? Can you come down? What kind of a human being is this?
Greetings, Nne.
Greetings, my son.
May I actually came to apologize to Adako for the way I spoke to her the other day. Honestly, it was not intentional. I'm sorry for the way I made her feel.
It's fine. The important thing is that you're back.
Yes.
No, that's very wise of you. Not every young man will have this level of wisdom which you possess.
Yes. Please help me tell her that I am sorry for everything.
She'll be happy to hear you apologized. And I am happy you did. It shows you're going to be her husband. You know, for you to come back, I am happy to.
No, I do not think so.
How do you mean?
Okay, the reason I came to apologize to her is because I want to marry Ifunanya. No, you sent for me.
Yes, I did.
Please, if it is about my decision, I am sorry. I have made my choice.
This is not about me, nor my daughter.
What is it about?
The reason I had to take you out of earshot is because nobody is aware of what I'm about to tell you. And I want you to keep it as a secret because it is a top secret.
Okay, I am listening.
Ifunanya is a witch. She killed her father and her mother. Yes. You know why she was not thrown out of this kingdom? Is because of me. They had wanted to kill and bury her alive. But I said no, because I'm a good woman. This is not a joking matter. Why are you laughing? Who's laughing with you?
I'm sorry.
No, why are you laughing?
I'm sorry.
Nobody should have anything to do with a witch.
Yes, you're right. But I do not believe in witches.
But you're planning on marrying one.
I do not care. Whether she is a witch or a mermaid, I do not care.
Really?
Yes.
Get out.
My decision.
Get out!
Thank you. Sorry.
Who's laughing at this fool? Hi.
Hey, you cannot be serious. Are you saying that Opiora said all those things to you?
Yes. The stupid boy did. And trust me, I am going to deal with the both of them at the right time. I'm going to put them in their places.
Now what are you going to do this time? Because this is not a laughing matter.
I am going to marry Funanya, and that is final.
They say the stubborn fly follows the corpse to the grave. And what an older woman sees while sitting, the young man does not. Even if he scales to the top of the iroko tree, he will not see it.
I do not care about those sayings. Though you invented the second one.
I did not invent it.
If you did not, that is not how it's being said. What an elder sees while seated, even if a child climbs an iroko tree, he cannot see it. I know it.
The point is that
I do not care about the point. Yes. So stop racking your brain trying to convince me, trying to tell me what the point says. I know what I want. Are you the one to tell me what to do? Nze, Biko, Hapomaka. Thank you so much for accepting me into your household. I promise to take good care of Ifunanya. Yes.
I believe you. I know you will take good care of her. And you two are going to make a great pair.
You're right. I'll be coming with my people after the next Eke Market Day to see you.
It's fine. We'll be waiting.
Okay,
let me quickly call Ifunanya to come see you off.
Oh, that's really nice.
I'm an phone at my mom. Ifunanya. My child, come. Go see off your husband to be.
Thanks, Nne.
Let's get into the road. Let me see how that is going to happen. Because that will not happen. Not when I'm still alive. Look at her smiling like the thief she is.
I just wanted to be sure. Yes. But you're very funny. How did you know? You noticed?
Yes. My love. Honestly, I am finally my heart is finally at peace. This is one moment I have always looked forward to.
I feel the same again. But somewhere in my heart, I feel unsettled. I do not know if my stepmother, meant everything she said, I don't know if she will allow us to be together.
Listen to me. You do not have to bother yourself, okay? Do not worry yourself. Everything will be alright.
I hope so. I'm just so scared.
My love, I do not care what people are going to say about us. I've always known that we're destined to be together.
I never told you the truth the first time we met.
Okay, I'm listening.
When you asked me if I liked you, I lied.
Okay, tell me about it.
I lied to you that I didn't like you.
So why did you not tell me?
Because I couldn't say I liked you. You don't expect me to say that, do you?
I understand. Yes, you have a little pride.
Not pride.
Women.
Let's say that is our power.
Yeah, women and pride.
And I'm happy that you are good. Please forgive me. I am sorry. I don't know how that happened. She was supposed to have been dead.
Oh, I know. I know how it happened. You got it wrong the first time. You got it wrong the second time. You get everything wrong. Everything you do, you heck up!
How dare you insult me after all my efforts?
Efforts that amount to nothing is worse than doing nothing!
Are you mad? Are you mad? You talk to me in that manner? After everything I have done? All for your good? What is wrong with you?
You got swindled by a fake witch doctor. I gave you fake poison. Or the witch doctor got it all wrong. Everybody got it all wrong!
Ezemondo never gets it wrong. He was the one that gave me the poison. I used to kill your father and Ifunanya's mother. Yes. So he never gets it wrong at all.
Hold on. Mother! You killed father. And Ifunanya's mother? God, save our ancestors!
Calm down. I was a broken woman, despised by your late father. He always preferred her to me. He preferred her in everything. She was his favorite wife. But me, I was constantly thrown and kicked around to ensure that they make me feel as if I didn't matter. I had to do what I had to do. The woman has to do what she can to save her home.
Okay, let us forget about the other woman. You had to keep your own by killing your husband?
I didn't mean to take him out. I poisoned Njideka's food while she was still cooking it. And I cooked your father my own meal. But he scorned my food after I served him to go and eat Njideka's food. So it wasn't my fault.
Mother, if you know, you knew he preferred her food to yours, why still poison it when you did not mean to kill him?
At that point, I didn't know what else to do, so I had to do what I had to do. I wanted to secure my sanity. I was just losing my mind. I was losing my head. I was losing everything. Please, I am sorry.
Stop! Don't touch me. You are evil. Mother.
The things you sow, you reap. Whatever you do to your fellow.
I'm happy for you. So finally, you and Obiora are going to be together. Oh, may the gods be praised. I'm so happy. And I know you are happy too, because I'm happy. What?
Is this real? Is this happening? I do not know what to believe. Everything seems so unreal.
It's happening. Yes. Everything is going to be fine.
Are you sure? Are you sure this is real?
Yes, I'm sure. You don't have to think about it. Just be happy. I'm happy for you. I'm so happy.
Today is a great day.
Sure.
Ozioma, we are delighted to be welcomed into your family. And particularly delighted to join to your household through the union that runs between our children.
I know. And Obiora here is going to make a good husband. He's a good man.
Yes. He is.
And we are happy to welcome him into our household. Let me quickly tell Nneka, my daughter, to go call her sister.
Just go ahead and do that.
Nneka, go and call your sister.
Okay.
Go. Look at her, she's a beautiful bride.
Greetings, my fathers.
Greetings.
You're welcome.
Beautiful wedding.
Kneel so that I can give you the drink.
Show us your husband, my dear.
Drink it here.
My beautiful sister. An individual. Aruka.
Oh, I'm going to. I know you be a good bride.
Yes. I'm a witch. Come to my coven. Oh, yeah, Bieva.
What are you doing?
Come to my coven. Come to my coven. I'm a witch.
Leave me.
I'm a witch.
What is going on?
I'm a witch.
She said she's a
witch. Come with me. Come with me. I will kill you. Come with me. Come with me.
Neka.
Come here. Let's go. Get inside. Come with me. Come with me. Come with me. Come me chage. I'm a witch.
Sister. Mother! Mother, she has opened her eyes!
What's happening?
Sister, what happened to you? Mother!
Ogini. And what are you doing touching her? Are you mad?
Nne.
Why are you touching her with everything she has said and done?
Nne.
Don't come close.
What happened?
Do not
Where is
come.
Obiora?
Do not come close.
Obiora! Obim!
back here! She will never set her eyes on him ever again in her life. So if Naya has been on Obwanje living in this hut with me, where was I looking when all these things are happening? So she's an Obwanje.
Mother, we should be thrown to the evil forest.
That is exactly what is going to happen.
No, you cannot let that happen.
Did I make the tradition? Did I? I am just a woman. I never knew how those traditions were made and who made them.
Mother, if Naya cannot be an Obwanje,
and you saw her display. Get inside the hut. Now. Go through the back of the hut. I told her this won't happen. That there'll be no marriage.
Obiora, please. Obiora, please, I'm begging you. I do not know what happened there. I can't even tell what happened. But all I want to tell you is that I am innocent. I am not a witch. I know you tried your best to be with me. Obiora, I know you tried your best. I appreciate even you accepting me and nobody. Obiora, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for believing that you want to spend the rest of your life with me. Even if you don't want me again. No problem. Thank you. Obiora, but just know that I love you. And I'm innocent.
From the first day I set my eyes on you, in a jiggy jiggy nobi. A piece of Bugonumo, and then a better.
There is no smoke without fire.
Carry your dead body and come here.
Ineline kejama ineline. Ifnaya, you are our daughter. But most importantly, we must follow our tradition. We must follow the way of our tradition. It's an age-long tradition that must not be broken, not even in our time. In a situation like this, our tradition insists that you must be taken to the riverside. Tie up on a tree beside the river and let your fate decide what you will be.
Exactly.
Take her away.
Hey, I'm not a witch.
Go!
Mama!
Go!
Take her away. So all has been a witch.
Take her.
And she was living here with me.
Fiakwa.
Trying to possess my children.
Witch!
Take her away.
This is an everlasting blessing.
Mother, where are they taking her to?
Go to dance to bad rubbish.
Why you keep your face like that? Do you want mother to stop them and bring curse upon our family? Oh, please get out.
Go!
No, I'm innocent. I'm innocent. I'm innocent. I'm innocent. Leave me. Leave me! I'm innocent! No, don't kill me! Don't kill me! Don't kill me! I'm innocent! I can't do that! I can't do that! I'm innocent! No! 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 Help me! Help me! I'm innocent! I'm innocent! I didn't do anything! I'm innocent! No! I'm innocent! I'm innocent! I can't do it! I can't do it! I can't do it! Ah! Ah!
What's going on here? Why are you standing here crying all by yourself? What is the matter?
Nia, I want to go to where Funara is. I want to be with her.
What? Have you gone mad? Are you stupid? Why do you want to bring the wrath of the gods upon our family? What did we ever do wrong to you, this idiot? What?
What is going on, Ine?
Look at this mad idiot. Says she wants to go to the river to be with Ifunanya.
Don't let her go. But listen to me. Listen here, let me tell you. I promise you, you will not be halfway gone before you get eaten by wild animals.
I want to even give her the chance. Who will give her the chance to do that? Get up and get into the hut.
Let
now.
her go.
Go to the river. Get into the hut now.
Go to the river so that they will swallow you.
I said go into the hut.
I want to be with you.
No, let her
Give me
go.
your hand. Give me that hand.
You should let her go. Leave her.
I told you Obiora was going to be yours.
Now I believe you. Fate has brought us back together.
Of course.
No. You both deceived the entire village and brought him back.
What are you talking about?
I do not understand. What are you saying? Were you not there when she manifested in front of Obiora and his people?
And she even said she was going to suck you dry. Come to her coven. You heard her.
You know, you and Mother may have succeeded in deceiving the whole village, but you cannot deceive me.
Look at this little thing. Who are you talking to like that? Are you mad?
What does she know?
No. She knows nothing. Pay no attention to this spoiled idiot. She's only blinded by the stupid love she has for Ifunanya. And that love must die.
Nay, we shall see at the right time.
Get out.
We shall see what? Emeka! Come back here!
Leave her. Leave that little brat. She knows nothing.
Are you sure? Because
what does she know?
She doesn't know anything.
How do you know? Pay attention to that little thing.
Obiora.
I'm happy to have you here. You know, I would have hated myself if I had lost the opportunity of making you my son-in-law. Like my husband's brother rightly said, is the gods trying to console us to bring you back to our home. And I'm happy you are with us. It's a thing of joy and we are so delighted. Let me quickly call my beautiful daughter to come behold her handsome husband.
All right, mother. All right.
Ada! Adako! Please come, my child.
This one is for you.
Princess, elders.
This is how a woman should be.
You can see. I have something to tell you, my fathers.
Hey. Welcome.
Where is your sister?
I think she went with Ifunanya to see Obiora.
Really?
What is this?
Don't touch it like that. I am coming from Ameze. Look at it. I went to see Ekwensu, the witch doctor.
That dangerous man. No, why would you go there?
I was thinking ahead for my beloved daughter. Do I have a choice?
So, what is this?
This thing possesses the spirit of Obanje. Can you calm down? Why are you like this? Come, listen carefully. Tonight, while Ifunanya is asleep, go to her hut. Call her name 3 times. When she comes out, you place this thing on her forehead for a moment. Once you're done, you bring...
Are you saying that Ifunanya will be possessed by an Obanje with this?
Yes. If you carry out my instruction carefully, listen to it, abide by it, and do it diligently, she will be possessed by the spirit of Obanje. Let's go.
Nice.
Kai!
Wow. Don't look at me like that. I didn't do anything.
You!
No.
You! Oh! Ah!
No.
No!
Don't look at me.
Oh!
It's my mother. It's my mother.
Hey!
She's so nice.
Ijoma. Oh! Hey! Oh! Hey!
Sorry. Please don't kill me. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Please, don't kill me.
Your spirit belongs to us.
Mba.
Your soul belongs to the body of the water.
Isigini.
We are taking you home to eternity.
No, please don't kill me. I am just an innocent.
Let your lips utter no word. You are a witch and deserve to go back to the spirit world with us.
Yes, today is your last day in the land of the living. You will go with us now.
Please, I am begging you. I'm just an orphan. Whenever, don't kill me.
You must come with us at once.
Release the maiden at once. No harm must unto her.
You have no business here. Ours she is, and she must come with us at once.
I am the chief custodian of custom and tradition. I command you to free her, or you go back to where you came from. Orori malele, orori malele, iyama se ajaye.
Olori Maya buru yilazie.
Ozema, what smells in the body resides in the water. When a witch cries at night and the child dies in the morning, the source of the calamity is obvious. You failed in your role as a mother and a wife. I had no clue that you are the one that is eating the leaves. You killed your co-wife. And you killed my brother, your husband.
I am sorry, my husband. I didn't mean to do it. I just said I was overwhelmed with jealousy.
There is no excuse for wickedness. You are the black hand in this household. You brought evil to this household.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean it like that. I am sorry. I am very, very sorry.
You desecrated this land, this our kingdom. Thereby you are banished from this kingdom. And you will never return again.
I didn't mean it, so I am sorry. Where do you want me to go from here? I am sorry. Thank you. Please beg for me.
Thank you so much, my elders, for setting me free. Because I am very innocent. My mother was the one that charmed Obira to like me just because I said that I fell in love with him. She was also the one that tried to kill Ifunanya so many times, but she did not die. Yes, she has been the one. I don't know anything. I'm very innocent. Please. Thank you so much for this great opportunity. Thank you.
Everything I did for you.
Oh! Who, Une? Who did you do it for? Me? You ruined my life! How could you do this to me? How? Are you mad?
Are you mad?
You will follow your evil mother.
No, I will not follow my evil mother. No! You are evil, Une. And you will pay for what you have done. I am not going anywhere. I will stay in my father's house. And you go to the evil forest.
Take him away!
You ruined my life. How could you do this?
Move!
No.
Move!
You
got them.
Let them go away!
Let's have the same identical privilege. Can always congregate together in the same proceedings.
Everything is fine.
Get up.
My
daughter. My daughter.
Hey! Today, you've shown me you're indeed my sister, my flesh and blood. Thank you so much for saving my life.
I didn't. The gods did. And those two deserve us.
I know you miss Mother and Adako. I'm sorry.
They were so unkind to you. I don't miss them. I'd rather be without a mother and a sister than to have those two as mother and sister. In you, I found much more than a mother and a sister.
Neka, talk to me.
Obiora was lied to. He was deceived.
Neka, I see. He came talking to you, right?
No. I'm not asking you to accept him back. But please, you can forgive him.
Neka, you're all I have. Please, do not bring Obiora into our conversation.
Please, you can forgive him. Please stop crying.
The things you sow you reap. Whatever you do to your fellow, yakege jikwogo. The things you sow you reap. Whatever you do to your fellow, yakege jikwogo. If you do good, you see good. If you do bad, you see bad. Iyobuni mere madi bigio, yakege jikwogo. Omembu wogwe nakashi abala yono. Wepwake wenove ijiji ntike nesokozu ana. Buronye kuru koga horo. The things you sow you reap. Whatever you do to your fellow, yakege jikwogo. Buronye kuru koga horo. The things you sow you reap. Whatever you do to your fellow.